Hello, and thank you for tuning into another JD channel video in which we are messing with the E46 BMW 325 project car, which has terrible paint. So today I decided, you know what, I'm going to change it up and mess around. So in the back over here, I have a case I got from Walmart, and let's open it up. So inside the box, we got 12 cans of this. This is Rust-Oleum Peel Coat, which, in other words, is pretty much Plasti Dip. I got what they call Galaxy Black Violet, which kind of came out more like a kind of rainbowish metallic. I like it. It's decent. I mean, I wanted it more of a violet color, which, I mean, hearing the word violet in there, you'd figure it was, but didn't come out quite as I wanted, but you know what? At least it's better than this. I mean, the blue was decent. It just was really bugging me, and I really like black compared to blue. I honestly wanted a silver one of these or white, preferably techno violet, and we're gonna see how this comes out, and if ever we're gonna add some maybe violet metallizer to kind of give it the techno violet look. Now let's start with the prep. So before you paint, obviously you gotta prep, and you gotta prep yourself. So I have a little bit of my coveralls on. You also bring a mask. This isn't the greatest mask, but I had a bunch of these lying around. It has the respirator on it, as well as obviously, you know, put on some shoes that are in bad shape. These are what I use for pick and pull. They are a pair of Jordans, but they got messed up by battery acid, so I use them for everything. So let's get to prepping the thing itself. So always don't forget your mask, because those are toxic fumes. I tried to get some more light in here, but I mean, that's really what I'm limited to because I don't know where the plugs are in this garage. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tarp through the hood, and then I'm going to take out the emblem in the grill, and I'm going to give this a shot. Let's give this a try right here. Put the light on the car itself. Put this on the tripod. Some more lights, and now the prep begins. Gonna take off the grill and do the hood. Put this on here. So the hood, I probably shouldn't have sprayed that white underneath, but I'm going to redo that. Fender so far has come out okay. Going to the back, I just started spraying a little bit here and there. And the trunk I did last night a little bit. So now I'm prepping the trunk for some spray. Covered up, there was a serial number here, so I covered that up. And now, I'm going to go spray here. Took off the 325 badge. Not as clean as I wanted, but decent. Now let's go